Cedar is a center of ecological development and recreations in Impalutao, Impasugong, Bukidnon, and it is a managed ecotourism site, and it is established in 1912 as a reforestation project for wild one trees and bamboos, and it features three primary distinct waterfalls, which is Gantungan Falls, Natigbasan Falls, and Dila Falls, which are the popular for hiking and swimming in cold natural pools. And there is a history of details of each falls in Cedar. So unlike connected river systems, the falls and Cedar are unique in water temperatures and flow because they originate from different sources. And so the Gantungan Falls there is a 720 meters from entrance, known as the first falls. It is relatively easily to reach by taking through forest canopy. The name suggests it is a place where water flow or hands characterized by the surrounding falls trees. And there is a Natigbasan Falls. Natigbasan Falls there is a 780 from entrance meters from entrance, located a short distance after Gantungan. This falls is often described as a serene due to thick foliage and vines surrounding the areas. It is known for its clear cold water. And there is a Dila Falls. So Falls, it is there is a 960 meters from entrance. So this a long distance from the Natigbasan Falls or Gantungan Falls. And we all know as a fastest and most scenic of the three. Dila translate to Tanji in Filipino as a shape of rock formations, and the cascading water resemblance as a Tangi. It is recognized for its strong current and picturesque builders formations of the place or the falls. And the key historical context of this place, the Cedar, there is a origin. So the origin is the areas has been protected and managed by the government and since 1912, focusing on reforestations and conversations. Reforestations of Cedar was created to reveal the areas with white luang and giant bamboo, and which now create a cool shade and environment. And the development of Cedar is gently managed by the local government of Impasugong and the Departments of Environment and Natural Resources or DENR to promote ecotourism of the Cedar Place or the Gantungan Falls, Dila Falls, or Natigbasan Falls. Like I said, Cedar Falls is a center for ecological development and recreations of ecotourism spot, and it is a part of the Empasugong Bukidnon. It is a name after the Cebuano Visayas word tigbas, which means takat with the blades or to slash. This Natigbasan Falls. That's what I mean. And the name of reference is scientific shelf and the locations of the Natigbasan Falls is Barangay Impalutao, Impasugong, inside the protected forestrations areas. So there is a historical of Cedar Falls.